Hey friends, if you wish to merge folders in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. It's easy. Just pull one folder over the other one and it will be done. Though it wouldn't look like that, but when you open the other folder, you'll find the previous folder inside it. And if you just want to copy the contents and paste them here. Now select this one, do for all current icons and then skip it because you already have the icons here. But what if the name was also the same? Like let's say that uh, the name of this folder was, okay, wait a minute, camera roll. Okay. So in that case, when I would try to copy it, it will create a conflict. Okay. So there's no issue with it. Let it create a conflict. If you get that message, simply click on the option to skip it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.